tornado? What is this? Okay, whatever. It says 9. More speed. Yes. We're gonna have a lot more speed. Oh! I thought we said agreed on it. Yeah, but it seems like that is not gonna. Okay, we need to find a good weapon. A decent weapon. Can someone tell me how is it? Restart. Dang. Okay, well. Is it a tornado? Oh, we're in tornado. Owie, so, you know, tornadoes, come very off. But like, it'd be really weird if there's a fire. Right, guys? Here, let me spawn in my friend, the Lemon. Let me get my friend, the Lemon. Lemon! 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 No! I was gonna escape from that. This one is gonna chase me. Oh, this. You just want a crossbar. Oh, wants to eat my car. How much is that? That's all it is. I'm just gonna sit outside. I was eating that building. guys. Yep, that close. I'm keeping my distance. One move like one move Sorry guys, I got a message on Discord and I forgot all of it. Oh my god, I forgot. Why did I drive forward? It's so stupid. Oh god, fire. God, it's still here. Okay, well that'll probably end the video there. That was a tornado episode. Anyways, peace, and comment down below what game I should play next out of all of the games I played. Comment who's your daddy, comment, I don't know, this game, Teardown, favorite game. If you guys get me to 1K likes, I will try to make a G-tag video. If you guys get me 1K likes on this video, try to do a G-tag video. If it doesn't work out, comment what you want to do because you did get me to 1K. If you guys get me to 1K, I'll let you guys pick another. If you guys get me to 2K, I'll let you guys pick another. If you guys get me to just K's, and keep going from there. I'll let you guys pick games that I can try out and, play. So, yeah. Subscribe! And please try to get me to 1K likes. Try to get me to 1K subscribers by the end of the year.